So I'm from Croatia, Zagreb. I decided to come here because I really wanted to study for a master abroad, but I liked how practical the program seemed to be here, because teaches you how to think, but in the same way to apply it to actual designs. Especially, I had a break between my bachelor and my master for 2 years, so I was working quite commercially, and this is teaching me again how to have a better grasp of design thinking and applying these structures. For example, if you have a topic such as we had in this project, we're taught to do much research, to know where to stop and to choose what of those research is actually useful for us, and then be able to better shape our project. Workshops especially, even though we only had 2 so far, because they bring people from different disciplines, such as illustrators or type designers or animators, and we get to see a bit of other flavors that we can introduce to our own way of working, which is intense because it's in 2 days usually, but it's good. Well, I like it so far. We had only 1 project, but I like the pace of the study because we have classes basically 3 times a week, so there's enough time for me to go home and do my work, and then come to consultations, and then go back home and continue doing it. So through research, we were trying to find different structures within these disciplines, and then create work that would sort of explain or showcase these structures. So you can expect to see basically how designers look at the world and how they visually interpret different disciplines of expertise.